Well, this is a good day, isn't it? Hi everyone, I'm Will.I.Am from the... Well, thank you so much for coming out today. You know, this is a very, very special day, and we just want to thank Will.I.Am and want to thank his manager here for making this happen. Thank you so much. He's going to talk to us in a little bit, but I just thought I would ask him a couple of questions. How does this feel when you walk into a room and all these crazy people? How does it feel?
Coming into a room like this with a bunch of beautiful kids reminds me of you know, when I was their age. I would be sitting like right over there talking all loud. They would have been like, "Shut up!" I'll be over there. Yeah. Actually, we should do this in my neighborhood. Yeah, it's wonderful.
Well, you know, one of the things that I saw, I was reading your bio, and your mom was an inspiration to you, you know, making you, you know, go after your gift and so on. Can you talk to us a little bit about that?
My mom was strict. She used to like, you know, she used to hit me, and I remember the first tour that I went on, I had to ask my mom for permission. You know, I was 21. But my mom was real strict. I had to wear suits when all the kids were you know, wearing play clothes. I had to wear suits and stuff. So, you know, but then she encouraged me. She believed in me. You know, when we would have Easter dinner or Thanksgiving dinner or birthdays, they always just say, "Willie, go do that dance, Willie." I just be like, "All right, I should do my little dance." Or she used to be like, "Boy, get your butt over here." Lick my, you know, the snot out my eye and stuff. You know, she still's the same way to this day, yeah. But yeah, it's good.
Talk to us about how hard you work to actually make your dream come true.
It takes friends. You know what? You don't do it by yourself. You need friends around you that have the same dreams you have. But, you know, I'm saying this from the bottom of my heart. You guys can be and do things bigger than I have, than Michael Jackson has. You guys can be not just entertainers, but doctors, politicians, scientists. You know, you don't have to let your surroundings or your neighborhood tell you that you're not going to be able to do anything. You just have to keep focused and surround yourself with positive stuff.
Well, you are unusual, Will, because I was reading on your website. You have the Peapod Foundation. You are interested in education, you're interested in housing issues and all of that. How did that come about? What was the impetus for that, starting the foundation?
Just remembering when I was in the projects, you know, growing up in the ghetto, and my mom saying, "Willie, go up the street and stand in line for the cheese," or, you know, stand in the line for the WIC checks on the 1st and the 15th. And coming out of that, you know, I can't believe it. Still to this day, I'm like, wow, I came out of that. And I don't want to just come out of that and not live up to how my mom raised me. So if I could give back, if I could go to inner cities and, you know, influence at least one of you kids, you know, honestly, it's probably going to be one of you. I can't sit here and promise and say, all you guys are going to do something. All you guys can do something, but it's up to you. But at least one of you guys can go out there and change your environment and other people's environment and be that light in the dark.